Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dal Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 25, we are going to learn some concept about the random function in the Ruby program. So let's start and create a random program and just go and click new file here, random example. Basically this is a math function and we will learn the different kinds of the random function. Random method evaluation. Okay, so first of all I will tell you that what is rand. Rand is a built-in function, and there are the two type of random numbers, rand and srand. First of all we will discuss the random numbers, and just go and click the rand here and run this program. Okay, you can see that this number was 0.810726 and the range of that. Once again we will run this random number and a new number will generate. Every time you will click, then it will give you a new number, and this the range was from 0 to 0.99. Okay, I will write the range here. The range of the rand method is from 0 to 0.99. And if you will use another proof statement, and here you will use rand and you will use multiply by 100, run this program, and you can see that a new number was generated, but now this time the range was changed into the 100s, and if you will use 10, then the range multiply by 10 and you will get the numbers between 0 to 9. The range of the rand multiply by 10 then is from 0 to 9.99. okay, now we will learn another type of random condition is here, and if you will use puts and use the rand multiply by 10 and then you want to convert it to integer form, then 2i, then you will see that the new look of your random number, and you can see that it was converted into the integer form rather than to use the decimal points. This is the number of another type of random number is here. Okay, so in this case the range of the random method will from 0 to 9. Every time you run this program, then you will get a new number is here. You can see that. Okay, now we will perform the same thing with a different look, but before that I am going to discuss another type of random. And if I want to get the range from the fixed position, then I will give it 30 and make whatever. Okay, for example 60 plus 15 dot 2i. okay, sorry, this will be the fifth plus is here. Now we run this program and you can see that okay, there's a rand method, not rad method, missing the rand. Run this program once again. You can see that the value ranging is between the desired position, and we have the 72 is here. So every time you are going to get the values, you will get a new number is here. So once again we have another type of the same syntax which we already use, and that is rand, and if you will use this thing, then the maximum number is here. So you can see that the number is 7 here. The both conditions are similar to it. You will use either this command or either this command. Both are the same one. Similarly, we have, if we want to provide the range from the numbers, provide the range. Let's suppose we use put statement and provide rand method and start it from 3 to 23. Then every time you will go to run this program, you will get the values between 3 and 23. Okay, we have another type of ranging. It will puts rand, and for example, if you will use 0 to 3 times numbers, then it will exclude the number of 10, while in this one this number will be included here. Similarly, we have some other methods like puts, and we use to display the mapping here. So I just want to make comment all of these lines, so we will understand the concept of mapping in the random numbers very well. Okay, now we will use a put statement once again, and we will provide the ranging from 1 to 10. It means that this number will be used for repeating, and then use the map statement and map, and then we will use rand and from 0 to 8. Okay, now run this application. Okay, we have something missing. Maps dot map method, undefined method map. Okay, I think this map file was not included in this version of the file is here. So now we are going to discuss another random type, and that was the srand. And if you will provide these numbers is here 3 4 5 6, and then provide the put statement and use the rand is here, then run this program. Okay, you can see that a number is here, and for example, if you will use the srand once again and use the 3 4 5 6 number and puts rand, then you can see that the both numbers are same. So if you want to get the same numbers in the same program, then you can use the srand here. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.